Alright, it's late, but here's a midweek review. I just painted the bumper pieces. It was too much vehicle to get it all in the paint booth at one time, so I went ahead and painted the bumper pieces tonight. I'll have the fender and the door hopefully painted tomorrow. Got the PT Cruiser from the neighbor. They ripped the bottom out from under it, trying to get it out of the flower bed that it was stuck in. Got that to work on. Bud come by today. Well, Bud, he took a carburetor off and took it apart. I had it soaking in carburetor cleaner over in the floor. And there it is apart. He's supposed to come back tomorrow and put that back together. We got a 25 Dually Denali doing color match on. That's all the pieces for it. Well, not all the pieces, but some of the pieces got primed. Got this sharp little OBS Chevrolet in here doing a little work on. Fixed a few spots on the hood, the tailgate, the fender, and this door. Gonna get them painted. And I know what you're thinking. What is that thing doing on the frame machine? Well, he took off down the driveway, and we noticed this back corner was a little bit higher. So I'm going to put it on the frame machine tomorrow and try to get this corner down a little bit so it's straight and level across the tailgate. I was going to do it today, but we had that Honda up on there, and I couldn't get it on there today. We finally got that Honda off. Junior got it off this morning. Did some metal work and starting to do filler work on the deck lid and the quarter panel where it was hit. We'll have it hopefully knocked out before too long. The Cutlass, I ain't touched it since New Year's Day, but I got the holes welded up on it and started grinding them back down. There's a little rust hole there, but trying to get all the metal work done before we move on. But we got a car. I didn't close the other side up because, like I said, it's late. But we got a car. I may not be able to hold the button and look in the camera. Got a 70 Torino 429 car parked on the other side we got to do some work on. They bumped into their garage trying to pull it in, so got to repair the quarter panel. That's some more of them Denali pieces. But that's what we got going on here at the 256. I can't hold the phone and the button too, but there's midweek review.